Taea, VK Production. Now, tell me why. Now, I'm in the middle of a crisis, trying to figure out what's going on. When I try to remember, buying a kapenasi kakaroy. I never knew I'm gonna hit the kangang, kasi mo ni kakarikitangida. But I feel it's over. Kay ko tiraro a mayro. Why? Why you gotta be like this? Why am I fighting this battle alone? Why you not giving me a second chance? Why you gotta say goodbye? Hey! Trying to calm down, trying to make sense of my mistakes. Cause I know you're one of a kind, and I don't wanna lose you just like that. If only the world is kind enough, usually tira kairuau. Baikanataya ne patira kairuau. Tell me why. Why you gotta be like this? Why am I fighting this battle alone? Why you not giving me a second chance? Why you gotta say goodbye? Boom bang bang, 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 boom.
Yeah. Why you gotta say goodbye? You know, we've been through a lot. This is not a solution. Oh, yeah, Nico Poti Mori Paya Kikaroi. Every little thing that matters, scared the Bororoi. Now I'm sitting here reminiscing about the day that we had our moments together now. Oh, pass me another bottle of Hennessy. Take the pain away, you'll understand, you'll see. Now all I wanna do is get close to you. I keep holding on, don't let go. So tell me why.
Why you gotta be like this? Why am I fighting this battle alone? Why you gotta be so complicated? Why you gotta say goodbye? Bang bang boom bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang. Why you gotta say? Why you gotta say? Bang bang.